Okay, my friend, today is second day. How do you feel?
So far I feel okay. The pain there's no pain right now.
Very good.
So far I think it's so good. I can feel a bit better compared to yesterday and 2 days ago, so everything's okay now.
Are you happy with the design that you wanted?
I'm very happy. I seen the mirror a couple times and I really like the hairline now. So hopefully it will be good in a couple months.
So this is the donor area. We have harvested all this area, and today is day 2.